Hi y'all.
Hi y'all!
I told you I love saying y'all now. Hey y'all.
Why is that?
Well, I've just been saying that it's been 8 days since he's had his haircut.
I can't believe we're doing a video. Crazy.
Every video I've ever done, there's some talks of your haircut. We've never, honestly. But we are just on our way to our joinery supplier.
No, we're not. We're on our way to get some coffee first because it was a late night last night. Big up England.
They won the game. Waf was watching it and drinking beer.
No, don't say that.
Why? You're a normal human being, babe. You're allowed to drink beer for the match. Don't let YouTube see that. Are you so funny?
You got to cut that down.
He was, no, Waf was watching the football with a couple of beers. Lads. I was trying to get 8 hours sleep. I don't think I did get it though. So tired. But yeah, we are just on our way to get a coffee from the Choucair, and then we're going to go to our joinery. We're going to go to our joinery supplier and just take a look at some final last bits before they install it into the villa.
They've already installed a few things, but it's like the kitchen and stuff. So.
And then we're going to go over and look at some stone. So we'll bring you along with us for the day. Over and out. Say over and out.
Over and out.
Cheers.
Are you cheersing without taking your cap off? Cheers. Thank you, mate.
Don't forget to pay.
First payment of the day.
Wow.
Yes. Bit of a snag.
Bit stiff. Wow.
Yeah, that's cool.
These also. These
Yeah. These need to be added as well.
So will be more.
Yeah. But because we've gone with the waffle now, haven't we? Yeah. Have you done those doors yet? No. Oh, okay.
Have we got? No, we've not got.
I've got it in the car. Yeah.
I know. I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, I prefer.
I prefer what we've done.
Yeah. God, it's absolutely humongous. I can't believe how big it is. Wow, like actually look how big this kitchen is. Can you imagine having this many cupboards for your food? It's huge. The kitchen is huge. Wow, this is amazing.
These are quite stiff.
Yeah, but there's
It's still going.
things, so we can adjust.
Yeah.
The biggest one which we've done.
It's the biggest kitchen that you've ever done.
Crazy.
Look at it, it's crazy.
This is only half as well as the island slabs.
Yeah.
To your coffee.
I've got quite a lot of my hands are full. Do you want to see a coffee?
No, thank you.
I'm okay for now. We'll have one after. Thank you. Pardon?
We will say.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
You're here for the first time.
Yeah. He's not, but I am.
So we'll just walk past.
That's like the floor in Kira.
Yeah.
And Ivy.
Yeah.
We'll go and see the travertine first.
Yeah.
Obviously, the colour that it is outside, when you cut it, because it uses water, does that make the travertine darker? And should you take that into consideration when you choose it?
No need to take that into consideration because the travertine, that material, though it absorbs, it's totally fine because those are kept. I mean, those are like we procure it from such places. Like travertines are coming from like such belts, like water belts. So that's totally fine. You don't have to take that into consideration.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just because we have seen it before, where we've chosen the travertine outside, and then when it's been cut, it's looked darker. What's the reason for that?
No, I mean it's because like you're seeing a big slab, and then like when it is cut, it's just the difference in what we see. That is it. But it doesn't change color for sure.
Really?
Yeah, bit lighter in terms of the color, and in terms
weight.
of the weight.
Yeah.
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 The rest everything is okay.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I wonder why. Is it lighter in weight because there's more holes,
Oh, it's not
or because of
necessarily.
the composition?
Turkish ones has a bit more holes, bigger holes compared to the other ones. Mm-hmm. But composition wise, yes, there is. But like when you're keeping it outside, it doesn't matter like how it is. It's just mainly your color preference, because those ones are a bit more lighter ones. You'll find, I mean, those ones are like a bit more darker, and like you'll find a variety.
Oh, from Italy?
Yeah, from Italy. Too whitey.
Yeah, yeah. What do you think?
But we'd be polishing it regardless, no?
No, we didn't polish the other one.
Oh, really?
The other one was
Wow.
polished as well.
I like this one.
And it's been polished, yeah. Yeah, I like
Where
this
is
one
it
as well.
going, if I may ask? Like which area?
Kitchen,
Bathroom.
kitchen, bathroom, and media wall.
Kitchen, we might look at your porcelain.
So we are just at Glaze, looking at some solid travertine, some porcelain. Interestingly enough, I haven't turned my mic on. Oh, it is on. Interestingly enough, the porcelain is actually more expensive than the solid stone in some cases, which I find surprising. Were you surprised by that?
Yeah, but it also makes sense when the stone is manufactured.
Yeah.
Sorry, the porcelain is
But
manufactured.
give me this sample. We're looking at this Taj Mahal and rethinking our lives, because that for a kitchen,
That looks insane.
that for a kitchen combination does look absolutely gorgeous. But that is porcelain.
Yeah, I mean, we'll have a look at the natural Taj Mahal
Yeah,
as well.
something to consider. All of this is onyx, and I am obsessed. Wow. I can't actually stick to one side because they're so amazing. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I love onyx. That is just stunning. I've officially lost the boys, but oh my goodness. Are we not just in girly heaven right now? Oh my goodness. Wow. It's a girl's world. Boys are just living in it. We are just thinking powder room,
530 per square meter.
530 a square metre.
I mean, to be fair, that would only need one slab. Or
Yeah.
one or two slabs.
I just think that is stunning.
Yeah.
Do you
It's for-
pronounce it viola or voila?
Viola.
Viola. I don't know. 1 2 1 2. We've secured the goods.
Second coffee of the day, Arabica. Do you remember when we used to dog Arabica?
Yeah, fun story. Me and wife used to be like, why does everyone pretend that they like Arabica? It's horrible. And then we discovered
We used to get, no, I don't know what it was. It was,
it's because we got an iced.
yeah, and it came
That
in
was the
these,
mistake.
it came in cardboard
Yeah.
at the time. I think they've changed that now.
Have they?
I think so. Could be wrong.
Well, yeah,
But
we
if they
got an
haven't-
iced latte and it came in this with no straw. And I was like, what? And then one day we got the hot honey latte and we've never looked back.
Changed everything, didn't it?
The best coffee in Dubai, literally the best. It's so nice. We are
Switch up.
from the worst, from the bottom to the top. But we're just on our way now to some more stone suppliers.
We think we've secured.
We do. We've actually made a huge decision today. Because we've switched the full design that's been in the works for months for our kitchen from travertine to Taj Mahal. So, crazy, but it does go really, really well. I think I took a video of it actually.
Well, and I think because we're doing travertine in pretty much all the bathrooms.
We don't want it to be overkill of travertine. So yeah, we've made a little bit of a design change, but we're gonna go have a look at some more stones, make sure that we're happy with it.
But that's a tip. You shouldn't always be, fixated on the visual renderings. We've got our samples. We know what wood we've obviously gone with because we were at the joinery factory earlier. Got a sample of that. We've got a sample of the sanitary ware, and so we have and even the engineered wood. So we have everything we need to be able to select the correct materials physically. in person, and we saw this other stone which wasn't travertine, and I think it just went way better personally.
It's gorgeous. Looking at tiles outside in Dubai's 50-degree heat is not for the faint-hearted, let me tell you that. Excited to get into the car for my hot coffee. By far the hardest and most horrible part about being away all day is missing my baby. I love you so much.
Aww.
Mm.